Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to take HK multivitamin tablets. First, always check the label for the specific dosage instructions for your particular HK multivitamin. Most multivitamins are best taken with a meal to improve nutrient absorption and minimize any potential stomach discomfort. Make sure to swallow the tablet whole with a generous amount of water, ensuring it goes down smoothly and effectively. To maximize the benefits, avoid taking your multivitamins simultaneously with high-calcium foods or other mineral supplements, as this can hinder absorption. If you're on other medications, it's wise to separate their intake from your multivitamin by at least 2 hours. Proper storage is also key. Keep your HK multivitamins in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight, to maintain their potency. Before incorporating any new supplement, including HK multivitamins, always consult with a healthcare professional to ensure it's right for you. It's crucial not to exceed the recommended daily dosage, as taking too much can lead to unwanted side effects. Also, be mindful of potential interactions your multivitamin might have with other supplements or any medications you are currently taking. For optimal results, consistency is key. Try to take your HK multivitamin at the same time each day, perhaps with breakfast or dinner, to establish a routine. Pay attention to how your body feels and adjust the timing if you experience any discomfort. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. A well-chosen multivitamin can support overall health and fill nutritional gaps.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.